precision, focus, commitment, and intelligent planning. These are the four cornerstones of our production excellence. Our family established Afterone in 2004 from our own need for precise CNC parts used in medical equipment. 2 decades later, we're the most advanced CNC milling and turning services provider in the Baltic states. We've achieved this through our constant drive for better production practices and technology. Whether you need highly complex precision parts or parts that require fully automated lights-out production, we've got you covered. Our team is well known for responsiveness and a client-focused approach. We continuously invest in our ISO-certified quality systems and top-of-the-line machine tools so we can be ahead of our clients' needs. We believe that an excellent product cannot exist without great customer service. Afterone, committed to excellence.